Have you ever imported a DWG, DXF, PDF, block, or external reference into AutoCAD and suddenly discovered that everything is the wrong size? Maybe a building that should be 20 meters long appears only a few millimeters wide, or perhaps a small mechanical part suddenly becomes larger than your entire drawing. This is one of the most common AutoCAD problems, and it usually happens because the source file and destination file are using different drawing units. Fortunately, the issue is easy to diagnose and fix once you understand what causes it. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to repair messed up drawing units after importing an external file, and how to prevent the problem from happening again. First, let's understand why this happens. AutoCAD drawings do not automatically know whether a line represents millimeters, centimeters, inches, feet, or meters. Instead, AutoCAD relies on unit settings and insertion scales to determine how imported objects should be interpreted. If one drawing was created in millimeters and another was created in meters, importing content between them can result in objects being scaled incorrectly by a factor of 1,000. Similar problems occur when files created in inches are imported into metric drawings. The first step is identifying the correct unit system. Open the drawing and type units in the command line, then press enter. The drawing units dialog box will appear. Check the insertion scale setting and note whether the drawing is configured for millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, feet, or another unit type. If you know the intended size of an object in the drawing, use the DIST command to measure it. Comparing the measured value with the expected value often reveals exactly how much the drawing has been scaled incorrectly. For example, if an object that should be 1,000 millimeters measures only 1 unit, the file was likely interpreted as meters instead of millimeters. If a 100-unit object appears as 2,540 units, an inch to millimeter conversion issue may have occurred. Understanding the scaling factor helps determine the correct solution. Next, check the source file if it is available. Open the original drawing and type units. Compare its insertion scale with the destination drawing. If the two files use different units, you have identified the source of the problem. In many cases, simply correcting the insertion units before importing can prevent the issue entirely. If the objects are already imported and incorrectly sized, you can fix them using the scale command. Type scale and press enter. Select the affected objects and choose a base point. When AutoCAD asks for the scale factor, enter the appropriate conversion value. For example, converting meters to millimeters requires a scale factor of 1,000. Converting millimeters to meters requires a scale factor of 0.001. Converting inches to millimeters uses a scale factor of 25.4, while converting millimeters to inches uses approximately 0.03937. After scaling, measure the objects again using the dist command to confirm the correction. If the issue involves an xref or xref, avoid exploding or manually scaling individual objects. Instead, detach the xref if necessary, verify the unit settings in both drawings, and then reattach the reference. AutoCAD can often apply the correct scaling automatically when the insertion units are configured properly. Another important setting is INSUNTS. Type INSUNTS and press enter to view the current insertion unit value. This system variable controls how AutoCAD handles inserted content. If files are repeatedly importing at incorrect scales, verify that INSUNTS is configured correctly in both the source and destination drawings. Matching these settings significantly reduces scaling problems. Files imported from PDFs, DXF files, or third-party software may not always contain reliable unit information. In these cases, measure a known object and apply the correct scale factor manually. This approach is often faster than trying to determine exactly how the external software handled unit conversion. After correcting the scale, review dimensions, annotations, text, and hatch patterns. These objects may also require adjustment because they were created using the previous scale. Check plotting layouts and viewport scales as well to ensure printed output remains accurate. To prevent this problem in future projects, always verify units before importing files, maintain consistent unit standards across your team, check INSUNTS settings regularly, and ask consultants or collaborators which unit system their drawings use before exchanging files. Spending a few seconds verifying units can save hours of troubleshooting later. So, to summarize, when imported objects appear too large or too small, check the drawing units using units, compare source and destination unit settings, measure known objects using dist, correct the geometry with the scale command, verify INS/UNTS values, and review annotations afterward. Following these steps will quickly restore accurate dimensions and prevent unit-related problems from disrupting your AutoCAD workflow. I hope this tutorial helped you fix drawing unit issues after importing external files. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting tips, productivity guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.